Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch security cameras.
In the left corner, we have NoaCam light bulb security camera, and in the right corner, we have PM PopMake security cameras.
Get ready for some epic comparisons.
Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, price. The NoaCam light bulb security camera comes in at a price of $69, while the PM PopMake security cameras are available for just $32.
That's a significant price difference, folks.
Now let's talk about installation. The NoaCam light bulb security camera takes the crown here.
With its easy installation and Bluetooth quick connection, you can have it up and running in no time. Just screw it into a light socket, open the Bluetooth on your phone, and voila! On the other hand, the PM PopMake security cameras require a bit more effort with the Wi-Fi setup. NoaCam takes the lead in the installation category.
When it comes to motion detection and alarms, both cameras are on top of their game.
The NoaCam light bulb security camera features a highly sensitive motion sensor that supports a 360-degree accurate detection and tracking of objects. Plus, it has a body detection alarm that reduces false alarms. But wait, the PM PopMake security cameras also offer advanced motion detection with an eye analysis that identifies persons, pets, vehicles, and packages.
It's a tough call, but we'll give this one a tie.
Now let's talk about video quality and night vision.
The NoaCam light bulb security camera boasts a 2K FHD resolution, providing superior image quality. It also has color night vision, allowing you to easily recognize faces and details even in complete darkness. On the other hand, the PM PopMake security cameras also offer 2K crystal clear live view and full color night vision. It's a tie in this category too. Communication is key, right? Well, both cameras have got you covered.
The NoaCam light bulb security camera features a built-in microphone and speaker, supporting two-way real-time calls. You can easily communicate with your family members or visitors without any obstacles.
And guess what?
The PM PopMake security cameras also come with two-way audio, making it easy to communicate with others in real time. It's another tie. Last but not least, let's talk about storage options.
The NoaCam light bulb security camera supports cloud storage, paid access required, and up to 128 GB micro SD card storage. Plus, it's Alexa compatible, making it super convenient. On the other hand, the PM PopMake security cameras come with lifetime free 7-day rolling cloud storage and support up to 128 GB micro SD card local storage. Both cameras offer great storage options, so it's a tie. The NoaCam light bulb security camera and the PM PopMake security cameras have received positive reviews overall.
Reviewers praised the NoaCam for its easy setup, great picture quality, and discreet design. They also appreciate the features such as colored night vision and motion detection.
On the other hand, the PM PopMake cameras are highly recommended for their affordable price, clear video, quality, and range of features.
Both cameras have satisfied customers, but the ultimate choice depends on personal preferences and budget. And that concludes our showdown between the NoaCam light bulb security camera and the PM PopMake security cameras.
It's been a close competition, with both cameras excelling in different categories.
Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preferences and budget.
We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision.
Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest comparisons.
Stay tuned for more exciting videos on Buy Smart, where we help you buy smart.